Hello and welcome back to 100% Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix black and white reversed colors on ALCATEL 3. Let's begin. As you can see, all my colors are really whacked up. Everything is reversed and everything is black and white, giving us this odd, wild look. It's hard to describe. But how can we fix that? Luckily, it's very easy. First, you want to head into the settings. Then inside settings, simply head into display. Now inside display, we want to go into eye comfort mode. And you will notice that we have it set to night theme, which will turn our screen black and white and then invert color simultaneously to make reading more comfortable in the dark. So if you want to get rid of that, we can simply switch to normal theme. So as you can see, we still have our color space, and with the ability to enable color warm, we can have more black and white look or more toned down look. Or alternatively, you can just disable the eye comfort entirely. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.